Introduce highlight features or overview summary of FADEKING professional hair clippers for men. That's features are include. Innovative blades. Newly upgraded high-hardness carbon steel blades with black PVD and DLC coatings get sharper with every use. Designed for seamless blending during hard and soft line fades, these precision hair clippers cater to various styling needs, delivering professional trimming results for all users. Powerful motor and long-lasting battery. Featuring a high-performance motor, this Barber clippers runs efficiently and quietly, providing a high-end haircutting experience without pulling or tugging. The cordless hair clippers run for 300 minutes after a 3-hour charge, and the trimmer lasts 240 minutes on a 2-hour charge, ideal for long grooming sessions. Advanced design and features. The ergonomic handle provides better control and comfort during long use, while the unique trimming angle ensures smooth, close cuts. The hair clipper's adjustable blade spacing, 0.5 to 3.5 mm, allows precise blending and sharp edges, ideal for both salon and home use. Complete professional barber accessories. From quick touch UPS to full transformations, this professional hair clipper set includes everything you need. It comes with 14 comb attachments of various lengths, a cape to keep hair off your clothes, and a premium storage case to keep your tools organized. Whether trimming at home or styling clients in the shop, you'll enjoy a smooth and effortless cutting experience. Durable and easy to clean. Made from high-quality metal materials, this hair cutting kit is built to last. The upgraded blades stay sharp and rust-resistant, while the robust motor is designed for durability with low maintenance costs. Detachable parts make cleaning easy, a great advantage for professional barbers who need tools that are simple to maintain. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.